Can Hailie Deegan's high-powered Can-Am X3 escape a swarm of dive-bombing drones flown by two-time world champion Jet FPV? We're putting these parts to the ultimate test.
Oh no!
My road to motorsports has been a fast one, breaking records, partnering with the best creators in the game, and even racing a helicopter down an airstrip. But with ambition comes attention, and with attention comes a spotlight, and navigating that spotlight can sometimes be tough. Luckily, I know someone who's all about dusting the spotlight and not letting it phase her at all.
And I can't wait to see how she dusts a couple dozen more cameras today. This is Hailie Deegan with an adrenaline-fueled Can-Am Maverick X3, and this is Between Two Rides.
I'm Hailie Deegan. I'm from Temecula, California, and I race in the NASCAR Truck Series.
Hailie Deegan trying to become the first female to win in the Can-Am Pro Series.
So I got my start in off-road truck racing when I was 8 years old, and as soon as I got into that world, I definitely wasn't able to get out of it ever.
I'm really excited to have her because she's not only an inspiration, but also a trailblazer in this industry.
How many women race in NASCAR Truck Series?
How many women race in the NASCAR Series in general? There's one. It's me. Whether we're at the racetrack, there's usually cameras in my face. Filming for YouTube, more cameras in my face. It's a lot of pressure, it's a lot to live up to, but I honestly love it because that pressure is a blessing.
It's really nice to have someone here who can also relate to the pressures of constantly being in the spotlight.
Hailie Deegan, thank you so much for coming out here, bringing these Can-Ams. It's wild to see the difference with a few parts and accessories. Can you tell me a little bit about the stock so we can do a good little comparison here?
Oh yeah, for sure. So this right here is the Can-Am Maverick X3. This is fully stock, what you get off the showroom floor. And the wheels and tires are on it. They're pretty good, but being able to upgrade those when you do have the opportunity is something that I love to do.
All right, well, let's talk about the beefier setup,
which is what you have over here.
This is also a Can-Am Maverick X3.
This is just the modified version of it. What are some of the key differences?
So one of the coolest upgrades I would say we have on this vehicle right here is the ARD double sheared shock tower up on front along with the double sheared A-arms, which honestly takes it to really the next level.
So you're essentially just stiffening the structural integrity of the suspension.
Especially the front end was taking some harder impact.
Yeah.
But I'd say that's something that definitely helps out the front end.
There are a lot of upgrades on this, and the cool thing with eBay Guaranteed Fit is if you're looking to modify your ride, you can find the right parts for your ride the very first time.
That makes it a lot nicer. So having that with the eBay Motors makes a huge difference.
Oh yeah. All right, so we've gone through the two cars, so I think it's about time to talk about the challenge. I think we all know the game of tag, so I think today we're gonna switch it up a little. To give these parts a worthy challenge, world champion drone racer Jet FPV and a couple of dozen of his drones are here to create a little chaos around Hailie's hometown track in Lake Elsinore, California. Good to see you, man.
How's it going?
Hailie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So in this game of tag, both Can-Ams have 5 lives. Our mission is for each to complete 3 laps while avoiding and dodging Jet's dive-bombing drones. If it gets tagged, it loses a life. The ride that escapes with the most lives wins. And the stock X3 is kicking things off. And here's some spray paint. Why don't you give yourself some targets on the roof of the Can-Ams?
I'll take every advantage I can get.
Perfect. Oh, perfect.
X marks the spot.
So I've got my goggles here, that's how I fly. I've got my controller. We've got loads of drones. Lucky for me, these things are pretty quick, so I think I have the slight advantage in this scenario. All right, drones are set.
This feels like a zombie apocalypse, but with drones.
Yeah.
Hailie, we got 3 laps. Try not to get tagged.
Oh, we're hitting the jump. Hang on, tighten your seatbelt.
without the aftermarket suspension.
Heading into lap 2, here we go.
They're starting to ignore the course too well. They know where we're going.
I'm on the truck. I'm in the truck.
Let's go now. Oh my God. We got slaughtered out there. Oh, this felt like it was sharks attacking their prey. That first one hit us pretty good.
Yeah, that first one got us good. I don't know.
Look at all those guns. How many is that?
One, two, and a few more.
Oh yeah, good stack of them.
This is a lot.
Yeah, I think my little bit slower corners or straightaways and stuff
Those
too.
whoops are a little harder to go
Those
through.
whoops are definitely a little bit harder to go through, yeah.
Round 2. Let's fire it up.
All right.
Hey,
There's one. That's one.
Let's do this.
Yeah, we're set.
And 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Haley, let her rip.
They're coming out. They're coming out. Yeah, this way. There's so many drugs.
Is it gonna hit us? I think it's gonna hit us.
It's right there. Oh, that was so close.
I'm in.
I almost got you there.
Oh, no.
Lap 2, here we go.
Oh, these shots are doing an amazing job. Oh my God! He's gonna die from us! Dude, that hit so hard!
I think that was right on the X.
Let's right, go now!
All right, lap 3, let's take this one home.
He's right there, he's right there, he's right there! I can hear them!
Tough break, Jet. Drone hit the tire. That one doesn't count.
Dude, this just like glides over everything.
So nice.
I want one.
That was so much fun.
They could not hang.
Oh, I did my best, you know? I think I got 2 of them.
No, I think it's
I got 2 hits.
You got one hit the wheel, it doesn't
See?
count.
That's the wheel. And then the rest are all
junk rip.
kapoots.
Oh no.
And that is a wrap. Stock 5 drones. Modified 1. If you've got a 2-wheel or UTV that's ready to shred, find the parts to fit your ride on eBay Motors. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon to stay tuned for the next episode. Let's ride. Will the Seaboys crush or be crushed as they absolutely send this massive C60 over a graveyard of glass and sheet metal?
Don't hurt me, buddy.
Believe me, I'm gonna try not to.